everybody. Before we get started, I feel like I should explain the suit because I heard somebody that was like, James Bond, you look different than you do in the movies. You look like tan. Came straight from church and then came straight to the gig. Right, so whenever I do comedy, I like to start with a little something called the random riddle. The way it works is I give you the riddle now, and then we discuss the answer towards the end. So the riddle for tonight is, what is our deepest fear or our greatest fear? You guys watch the movies, you read the books, so you know this, right now? All right. Suit. As I was wearing the suit when I came in, strange thing about this is a guy walks up to me and then he says, "Hi, it's a nice suit. You getting married?" I say, "No." "Those are nice shorts. Are you getting divorced?" It got me thinking actually along the lines of what our greatest fear is, and it got me thinking that maybe it's a fear of being alone. You'll find it a lot of times. You know, last year was the end of the world, supposed to be, and I felt like I missed my quota, so I put together a list of qualities that I'm looking for in a prospective partner. I'm a deep guy, so you know, I started with something profound. She's got to be hot. A lot of people are like, "No, but that's so superficial, man. As long as she's looking like, what do you say, beautiful on the inside, you know, as long as she's got a good heart." And I'm like, you know who wants somebody's got a good heart? Somebody who eventually wants to carve them open and sell it on the black market. But at the same time, guys will do what I just did. They will think what they're looking for in a prospective partner, but they're not working themselves. You know, like he wants Megan good, but he's looking like Johnny B. Bad. You know, God's looking like he's in his third trimester. The baby could come at any point. So I thought to myself, I should also make sure that, you know, when she comes, I'm also ready. So I figured, you know, it's time to work out. So I'm watching TV. I'm looking for good workout equipment, and then I come across the perfect device for working out. The Bible belt. I mean, where else can you work out and have a grilled chicken sandwich at the same time? Nothing else on the planet allows you to do that. But it's like a waste of money, because if you just stand there and just do this with your own hand. It is perfection. I got one yesterday. So there was that, but then I was thinking also diet is an important consideration. So you're there, you buy the protein shakes, you do the things, and then I was there looking for drinks as well. And then I'm in the mall, I see this one, Oros, I love it, so I got it. And then as I'm putting it in my trolley, I come up, I see just beneath the regular Oros aisle, there is something called Oros Lite. At what point did we decide that the regular Oros is so heavy that they need a light? A light version, I mean, you know, when people are drunk driving on Oros, what's going on in the streets? Like, it was unbelievable for me, so I actually took a picture, you know, for Twitter, as one does. You guys tweet, you're hashtagging, you're sending pictures, you're updating things. When it was Farhan Estet actually who introduced me to Twitter, and he says to me like it's a place where, you know, the modern intelligentsia, you know, the middle class people are going, you know, to discuss intelligent social issues. So I log on finally, you know, to see for myself. And the trending topic on the day that I logged on to Twitter for the first time, no panty day in Johannesburg. I was like, yeah. Modern intelligent. You meet a lot of interesting people. I met a girl on Twitter, and okay. This girl, no, like, you'll see. This girl had a disease called anorexic. I know you guys are thinking, no, wait, the disease is anorexia. Yeah. On any other day, you'd be right. But this lovely lady, here's what happened. You log on Twitter, new mention, new follower, hi, I'm Andrew. Please tell me a bit about yourself. I see that your bio information is kind of sparse. Biography wasn't one of my best subjects in school. Biography was probably not your biggest problem in school. So if you think, okay, English, second language, when I give her a chance, you know, maybe I'll just slip off the tongue. So okay, let's go look at your avatar, let's discuss that. You look slender, it's a nice look there. Yeah, my friends say I look like a bit anorexic. Your friends also say you sound like you've got idiotic.